So, ReCraft AI just released a new feature called Fit that lets you use the style of other images that were created on ReCraft AI, and then you can apply that style to your own image. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this new Fit feature on ReCraft AI so you can apply a unique and new style to your image in this platform. Alright, let's open ReCraft AI and start a new project. I'm going to click on this button to start a new project and just wait until the editor is open. Now, after the editor is open, you can click the image button right here, and after that you can click the model that you want to choose to create a picture. This is very important, by the way, because it will open this window and then you can navigate to the Fit menu and you can navigate and browse the style that you want to apply. Now, from the demonstration videos that I saw on many accounts, they are able to see lots of different styles, but for some reason I can only see a few options or a few styles. So perhaps that's because I'm using the free version of ReCraft, and maybe the pro users can see even more options. But that's okay, at least I can see new styles that I have never tried before. Now I'll try creating a picture. Let's try using this style. And after that, let me try this prompt. A child playing with a cat. And after that, you can adjust the aspect ratio if you want to. And then you can adjust the negative prompt and also the color if you want to. But these two are optional. Let's click ReCraft and just wait until ReCraft is creating this image based on the style that I just selected. Alright, so these are the two pictures that were created by ReCraft AI. Okay, this one is kind of scary, but this one is okay. It's something that I could use. Maybe I could use it on a video or social media post. Let me try it again, and I will try to use a different style. Let me see what options that I have. Okay, there's something here that I think I want to mention. So the options seems to be refreshed every few hours. So these options I have never seen before. I have never seen these styles before. So I think every single time you are trying to use this new feature, it will refresh the selection, so you will see fresh new options. I think that's probably a good thing. Now I will try to use a different style. I think this one is quite interesting. Let's say a big building with a large wind turbine on top of it. And then let's adjust the aspect ratio. I prefer by 2, and let's click ReCraft. So yeah, that was a live demonstration of how this feature actually refreshing the selections. But for other users, I can see that they can actually browse a lot of different options. So maybe that only happen if you're using the free version of ReCraft. Alright, this is the result, and honestly that doesn't look quite as I would imagine. But yeah, the building is there, the wind turbine is there, so it's pretty good. And as you mentioned, the style is definitely on point. Now another thing that you want to know is that you can actually save the style that you just used before. You can save it and then you can reuse it later. So you can actually go to the Fit again, and okay, on the style that you just selected, you can click on this save button. And after that, it will be available on this menu. So the next time you can always use the same style again in case the style is missing, like what just happened before. You can always see it right here. You can apply the same style as before. So that's basically the new Fit feature on ReCraft AI. I hope you found this video to be useful, and I'll see you on my next video.